Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword in real estate, it's a reflection of pride, style, and attention to detail. For homeowners in Rayne, a town known for its southern charm and welcoming neighborhoods, enhancing a home's exterior is a top priority. One of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to elevate that first impression is through custom door installation. A custom door not only adds visual appeal but also improves functionality, security, and energy efficiency, making it a smart investment for any property. Personalized style that defines character. Every home in Rayne has its unique architectural personality, from traditional cottages to modern builds, and a custom door allows homeowners to express that individuality. Unlike mass-produced options, a custom-designed door gives you full control over the materials, finishes, and design elements. Whether it's a sleek contemporary look with glass panels or a timeless wooden entry door with intricate carvings, the right design complements your home's overall aesthetic. Homeowners can choose from a variety of styles, arched tops, double doors, or rustic barn-inspired looks, to match their property's character. A custom front door becomes more than an entryway, it becomes a statement piece that tells visitors something about the people who live inside. Boosting property value and first impressions. In Rayne's competitive real estate market, first impressions can make all the difference. When potential buyers or guests approach your home, the entryway is one of the first things they notice. A high-quality, custom-installed door signals that the home has been thoughtfully maintained and updated. Studies have shown that upgrading to a custom front door can significantly increase resale value. It adds perceived luxury and modern appeal that standard doors simply can't match. For homeowners who plan to sell in the future, this is a practical way to enhance marketability. Even if selling isn't on the horizon, the daily satisfaction of arriving home to a beautiful, well-crafted door is a reward in itself. Superior craftsmanship and durability. Custom doors are built with precision and care, ensuring long-lasting quality that outperforms factory-made models. Materials such as solid hardwood, fiberglass composites, and steel can be customized for strength and beauty, giving homeowners peace of mind knowing their investment will stand the test of time. Professional installation is equally important. When experts handle the fitting, homeowners benefit from a perfect seal and alignment, preventing drafts, moisture intrusion, and uneven wear. This level of craftsmanship not only enhances the appearance of the home but also contributes to better energy efficiency and reduced maintenance costs, important factors for any Rayne homeowner looking to save money over time. Energy efficiency and modern functionality. In addition to aesthetics, custom door installation can improve your home's performance. Rayne's weather patterns, hot summers, humid conditions, and occasional storms, demand strong and energy-efficient doors. Modern custom doors come with advanced insulation features, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass inserts that help maintain indoor comfort. This means less strain on your HVAC system and lower energy bills throughout the year. Many homeowners also opt for smart lock technology and reinforced frames, adding convenience and security to their home's front entrance without sacrificing style. Harmonizing with the surroundings. Rayne's neighborhoods are known for their picturesque settings and charming appeal. A thoughtfully chosen custom door enhances that beauty while blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. For instance, warm wood tones can highlight lush greenery, while bold colors like deep blue or red can create a striking contrast that draws the eye. Homeowners can even coordinate their custom doors with other architectural elements, such as window trims, porch railings, or lighting fixtures, to achieve a cohesive and elegant exterior design. Final thoughts for property owners in Rayne. Custom door installation is one of the most effective ways to elevate curb appeal and create a lasting impression. It combines art and functionality, adding visual charm, increasing property value, improving energy efficiency, and reinforcing security. Whether you're renovating an older home or building new, a custom door brings personality and prestige to your property. It's not just an entry point, it's the finishing touch that welcomes guests, reflects your taste, and sets your home apart in the beautiful community of Rayne.